So what you see here is a normal machine control running in our IPC, but next to that there's also an artificial intelligence controller running. And what this artificial intelligence controller is doing, it's continuously monitoring all the patterns in your machine from the signals that are already coming out of your machine. And these patterns, it's detecting in all kinds of ways, and it can detect slight changes of these signals. So that's something as a normal PLC programmer that's very complicated, if not at all possible, to program in such a way. But what we want to prevent is that if something abnormal happens, that the bottling machine, so the bottling process goes wrong, and that instead of filling the liquid inside the bottle, it may touch the bottle or even spill liquid over the bottle, and then you need to stop the machine, clean it, and you lose a lot of efficiency. And obviously that's not what we want. So what we have told this machine to do in a situation that is going outside the normal space is going to not try to fill the bottle. It's going to skip one or two, let the machine continue and resume as soon as the problem is gone. And I can introduce some problem here. Because if I look on this screen, I can create some mechanical friction, as if somebody is touching your line. So if I hit it, then you will see, oh, the line is touched. It's immediately recognized that the signals have changed, and this is not normal. And if you look on the screen over there, you see the two red marks. They are in the outer space, the not normal space. So the machine has recognized, hey, I've now seen patterns that are not normal, and I should ask this robot not to enter the bottles. I can create some more trouble. So if I close this window and open the eccentric, in the machine you see there's a red cylinder. I can push this cylinder slightly to the outside of the center, and then it starts to wobble. And this wobble is also not normal, so it will immediately recognize that. So if I start it, you see the wobble, you see it's in a red situation, and it's detecting in far away space. We're in the abnormal zone, so I'm going to skip a bottle. So one of the things you can do, here you see small bottles, but you can imagine that in the next batch that you want to fill a larger size of bottle. Of course the signals coming out of your machine will shift because of that. And you can simply tell the artificial intelligence controller that now this is the normal situation. So anything that is outside this normal space is now the new abnormal, and you should react to that. And that's something that you can do in a matter of seconds. And that's something that even if you're the best PLC program in the world, you can never reprogram your machine in a few seconds just like that.